Welcome to your Lemon Squeeze Party Hero Kit. In this video, we'll show you how to create a beautiful balloon garland step by step for a clean, polished result. You can pause the video anytime if needed. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they're round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently let out a little air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons into pairs by knotting their ends together. Then twist 2 pairs together to create clusters of 4, keeping each color grouped together. Pause here if needed. Now, take your 5-inch balloons and twist them into clusters of 3. Connect 2 clusters using an uninflated 260 balloon. You should end up with 3 connected clusters of 3. Pause here if needed. Now it's time to build your garland. Insert the knot of a balloon cluster through the larger hole in the garland strip, then slide it into the smaller hole to lock it in place. Continue adding clusters, alternating the colors as you go. Pause here if needed. You can hang your garland using hooks, place it on a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it however works best for your setup. To finish, attach your 5-inch clusters by wrapping a 260 balloon around them, and that's it! Your balloon garland is ready.